guys, what is up? Yes, I am not dead, but you probably thought I was. I would think I'm dead too. So listen guys, this is a situation. I'm not going to come on here and explain why I haven't been on here. Well, that's a lie. I probably will, because knowing me, I get into a ramble where I just keep talking and talking and talking and talking, and then editing me hates myself. So basically, I'm going to give you a little rundown. It's been about a little over 2 months since I have uploaded a video. I feel like I filmed a video where I was explaining why I hadn't been on YouTube. A lot of it had to do with my anxiety, but also a lot of it had to do with the community in general, like what YouTube was turning into. And that like immediately put like a stop to me uploading, like at all, not even being inspired to upload, because I was like, this is gross. Like just the fact that this is supposed to be a place of like creativity and positivity and like just putting content out there for everyone to be a part of, and it just became into like a numbers game for a lot of people, especially like huge influencers, and I just got grossed out by it, honestly. I stopped watching a lot of influencers. I don't know, it made me realize, because I do this for fun, obviously. I do this to be creative, but I also don't want to fall into a hole of like, this is what the future looks like, you know? I don't like that negative energy. I miss the old YouTube, and it's just, obviously it's not the same anymore, but that doesn't mean that I don't love YouTube or want to create content for you guys or be here for you guys. It's just, it's really hard to be motivated when you already have a lot of anxiety, and then on top of that you just kind of see what it's turning into, and you're like, why am I gonna put myself out there any longer when look what it's turning into. So yeah, that is basically what's been going on. I just haven't been able to sit down and be in front of a camera for the last 2 months, and I'm just being real. So the video is about today, while I'm rambling, is I did order the new Morphe James Charles palette. Now I don't follow James Charles. I mean, I'm not gonna say I follow him on Instagram, but I am not subscribed to him on YouTube, but I will occasionally watch a video here and there if it like pops up on trending. Nothing against James Charles, you know, he is one of the most successful beauty influencers and the fastest, so I'm not gonna knock him for that. It's just, you know, sometimes you vibe with people, sometimes it's like, whatever, you could care less. That's kind of what James is to me. I mean, he's a cool dude, but you know what I mean? But from an artistry standpoint, I was like, oh my god, yes, you did the mother thing, because I've always wanted a palette like this where literally every color was in here that I would ever need, and I don't have to pull out 3 different palettes. Or if I'm at work and I have this yellow color or this red color, and then somebody asks me what it is, and I have to figure out, well shit, it's nothing we sell here, so I have to like come up with something, because it's like, you know, it's like, it's hard for me as an artist to want to be creative and then not be able to like share that with the world. Is like, I'm not on a high, I don't know why I said that, just forget that. But so yeah, I just wanted one palette that I literally could reach for and have every single color in it to do one look. So when he launched this, I was like, thank you. Like, I don't understand why something like this hasn't been done before, where literally, I keep saying literally, where every color of the rainbow plus neutrals plus transition colors is in the palette. I don't understand why it's taken this long, but that is one thing James is amazing at, is his artistry, and I could stare at his pictures all day, to be honest with you, which is why I follow him on Instagram. But yeah, so I was super excited when I saw this was launching, and I was like, you know what, I just have to have it. So I bought it, and I was actually pleasantly surprised. I got on the website like 2 minutes before launch, because I always do that just to like start refreshing and getting ready, like I am ready. And I got on like 2 minutes before launch, and it was on the website, so I ordered it. I was like, this is weird. There's no like problems or anything. My hair is doing the most, as per usual. Website, ordered it, no problems. I didn't get a confirmation email right away, but once I did, like an hour later, I got a shipping email right after that saying your order is on its way, and I'm like, what? Because from past Morphe experiences, it's never shipped the same day, if not the same week. So I was pleasantly surprised. I got it within a week. I got it Friday. So yeah, I'm not gonna go into a whole review. This is mainly just to kind of see this purple cranberry smoky vision that I had for fall makeup. I wanted to do a tutorial because one, this just speaks for a tutorial. You just have to do a tutorial. And I haven't, as you guys know, I feel like I haven't done a tutorial in a long time, and I miss that part of YouTube. I miss the creative side of YouTube. So yeah, I just realized I'm 7 minutes into this intro. This is gonna be fantastic to edit. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. I promise you I will be on this channel. If I'm gone for a little while, feel free to follow me on my social medias. I'm pretty much on there all the time, so you can know like what I'm doing, where I'm at, all that good stuff. And just know if I'm not on there, a lot of it is my mental health I'm taking care of. So that's just the thing. And then yeah, so I'm not gonna go any further. But oh, one more thing, I did get a new tattoo. So yeah, I am almost done with this arm, hopefully soon. Yeah, I'm not gonna go into that because it's on this video, but if you want to see a video for this tattoo, please let me know in the comments below. I love you guys so much. I've missed you. Leave a thumbs up. Let me know if you like this tutorial, if you're liking the palette. If you're not liking the palette, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.